Coloring Coloriendo.
Hey there, little artists. I have a magical question for you today. Can you guess what we're about to draw and color together? Here are some hints. She often wears a sparkling gown. She lives in castles. Sometimes she even has a crown or tiara. And she's known from fairy tales where she might dance at a ball or sing with birds in the garden. Did you guess it? That's right. We're going to color a beautiful princess. Now, when you're coloring your princess, think about all the details that make her special. Maybe she has big kind eyes, a bright smile, flowing hair, a shining crown, and of course a dress that can be as fancy as you want. You can imagine her dress being glittery gold, royal blue, soft pink, or even rainbow colored. There are no limits to your imagination. You're the artist, so you get to decide what kind of princess she will be. Did you know that the word princess has been around for hundreds of years and comes from the word princeps, which means first or leader in Latin? Wow! In stories, princesses are often shown as magical, brave, and adventurous. Some princesses are protectors of their kingdoms, while others go on journeys to find out who they truly are. So while you're coloring, you can imagine what kind of story your princess is living. Is she about to ride a horse into a forest? Or maybe she's preparing for a magical ball at her castle. While you're filling in her gown, here's another fun fact. In fairy tales from all over the world, princesses often represent kindness and courage. For example, Cinderella teaches us about hope and patience, while Mulan shows bravery and strength. What kind of qualities do you think your princess has? You can even give her special powers. Maybe she controls the stars, talks to animals, or makes flowers bloom wherever she goes. And remember, you don't have to follow the usual princess colors. Maybe she has green hair that glows like emeralds, or a gown made of clouds, or shoes that sparkle like the night sky.
Light blue.
Your creativity is the most important thing here.
Purple.
Oh, and if you like the video and want to see more videos like this, share, subscribe, and tell your friends so they can join the fun
Yellow.
too. That way, you won't miss all the exciting adventures we'll create together. Here's another fun fact. Some real-life princesses throughout history have had fascinating hobbies. Princess Elizabeth of Hungary was famous for helping the poor. Princess Diana was known for her kindness and charity work. And in Japan, Princess Kako loves figure skating. See? Princesses aren't just in fairy tales, they're part of history too. Now let's get back to your coloring. Does your princess live in a tall castle with towers and flags waving in the wind? Or maybe in a magical forest full of talking animals? You can even add details around her, maybe a friendly dragon, a unicorn friend, or a sparkling carriage waiting to take her on an adventure. And while you're adding those details, here's something fun to think about. In many cultures, crowns weren't just for decoration. Crowns often had jewels that represented wisdom, bravery, or even good luck. So if you color her crown red, maybe it means courage. If you color it blue, maybe it means peace. If it's green, maybe it represents nature. You can invent your own meanings for the colors too. So keep adding your magic to this drawing. Talk to your princess as you color. What would she say to you? Would she invite you to a royal feast or ask you to help her with a magical quest? And now we're reaching the end of our enchanting time together.
Light pink.
Did you have fun creating your princess today? Remember, you can always make her look different every time you color. She can have a new dress, a new hairstyle, or even a new story each time. That's the magic of being an artist. You create endless adventures. If you liked this video, come back again and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our next creative journey. We'll be making even more fun drawings together, and I can't wait to see what your imagination brings to life next. Until then, keep your crayons ready, your colors bright, and your imagination wide open. See you next time, little artists.
Coloring coloriendo.